Hi, I'm Jose, and welcome to one of the best resources online for creating REST APIs. I'm a software engineer at one of Scotland's leading engineering companies, Skyscanner. For those of you learning programming online, aren't you tired of boring, outdated, incomplete or incorrect tutorials? With this course I say no more to copy-pasting code that you don't understand. The main goal for this course is for you to take the next step and be able to create complete, production-ready REST APIs. Now, that includes programming them, but also includes things like authentication, performance, and deployments. By the end of the course, you'll be able to create resource-based REST APIs using Flask and Python, and you'll be able to use SQLAlchemy to easily and efficiently store your resources to a database. Of course, you'll also understand the intricacies of performance and deployments in REST APIs. If this sounds advanced, don't worry. We're going to start with a quick Python refresher to get you up to speed and make sure that you are never confused. In addition, throughout the course, I am always available to guide you personally and to answer questions for your benefit. So don't wait. Sign up today and take the next step towards web services mastery. I'll see you on the inside.